Greetings and welcome to the in-depth exploration of Adobe Premiere Pro. In this comprehensive and unabridged report, we embark on an extensive journey through the dynamic world of Adobe Premiere Pro, an industry-leading video editing software that has transformed the way we edit and produce video content for various mediums, from film and television to online platforms and social media. Our goal is to provide you with an exhaustive understanding of Premiere Pro's history, key features, industry impact, educational significance, ethical considerations, community involvement, and potential future prospects. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe Inc. It is an essential tool for video editors, filmmakers, content creators, and multimedia professionals used to create a wide range of video content, from movies and TV shows to web videos and advertisements. To begin our journey, let's explore the historical evolution of Adobe Premiere Pro. From its origins to its latest developments, birth of Premiere 1991, Premiere, the precursor to Premiere Pro, was introduced as the first nonlinear video editing software for the Macintosh. Premiere Pro 1.0 2003, the official release of Premiere Pro marked a turning point, offering real-time video editing, support for multiple video formats, and integration with other Adobe software. Premiere Pro CS 2003, the Creative Suite branding era, brought features like the time remapping tool for time manipulation, as well as improved color correction and audio editing. Premiere Pro CC 2013, with the Creative Cloud subscription model, Adobe began releasing regular updates. This era introduced Lumetri Color, Creative Cloud libraries, and Dynamic Link with After Effects. Premiere Pro 2021, the most recent stable version, offers even more advanced features, including AI-powered auto-reframe, improved audio editing with essential sound, and support for VR and 360-degree video. Adobe Premiere Pro is celebrated for its comprehensive range of features and capabilities, making it a powerhouse in the world of video editing. Timeline editing. Premiere Pro offers an intuitive and flexible timeline, enabling users to edit video and audio tracks, add transitions, and create complex sequences. Video effects. The software provides a vast library of video effects, including color grading, motion graphics, and visual effects. Audio editing. Premiere Pro includes advanced audio editing tools, making it a go-to choice for audio post-production and sound design. Multi-camera editing. Users can effortlessly edit multi-camera footage, synchronizing and switching between multiple angles. Integration. Premiere Pro seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, such as After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition, streamlining the post-production workflow. Collaboration features, including shared projects and cloud-based storage, make it ideal for team-based video production. Export and delivery. Users can export videos in various formats and deliver content to broadcast, online platforms, or social media. Adobe Premiere Pro's influence extends across numerous industries, film and television. Premiere Pro is a staple in film and television post-production, used for editing movies, TV shows, documentaries, and more.